This is your 1-minute guide on how to make strawberries dipped in chocolate. Let's get started. All you need is around 500 grams of fresh strawberries and 100 grams of melted milk chocolate. To melt your chocolate, simply place a bowl into a bath of hot water and place your chocolate pieces into the bowl. Stir occasionally until the chocolate is fully melted. Then we'll take our washed strawberries and dip them about halfway into the chocolate. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure to get a lot of chocolate on there. Place them upside down onto your prepared baking grill or directly onto a plate if you don't mind getting a flat bit in the chocolate coating. Once you've dipped all of your strawberries into the chocolate, you'll need to wait until it is set. The quickest way to do this is by placing them into the fridge for around 20 minutes, and there you have it, easy chocolate-coated strawberries. Enjoy!